Dear students, in today's class we are going to see a typical line problem. So this is the question we are going to see. A line AB 85 mm long has its end A 25 mm above HP and 20 mm in front of VP. The end B is 60 mm above HP and 50 mm in front of VP. Draw the projection and find its inclination with HP and VP. So this is a quite simple problem. Here the end A above HP and in front of VP is given. Similarly, instead of giving the true inclination, they have given the end B height, that is end B how much mm above HP and how much mm in front of VP. So based on this data, we have to calculate inclination with HP and VP, that is we have to calculate theta and pi. So this is quite simple problem. Just listen the procedure. So first step, as usual, we have to draw the XY reference line. Then it is given that end A is 25 mm above HP. So keeping the scale, you can mark a point A dash, that is above XY. So if it is above HP, the point should be marked above XY. So take the scale. So keep anywhere on XY and mark 25 mm above XY. So this is 25. I can make a point, and this point will be A dash. Draw a straight line from A dash point up to XY. This will be the projection line of A dash point, and then the A point is 20 mm in front of VP. So we can mark the point. So take the scale and keep the scale over the line of A dash projection. So from there you can draw a straight line for 20 mm. So which means the point A can be marked 20 mm in front of VP, that is below XY. So draw a straight line from here for 20 mm. So this point will be A. Now draw the locus line crossing A dash and A, such that the locus line crossing A dash will be locus of A dash, and the line that is crossing A point will be locus of A. So draw the locus line crossing A dash. So this will be locus of A dash. Similarly, draw the locus line crossing A. So this will be locus of A. So then the end B is given as 60 mm above HP and 50 mm in front of VP. So we can mark the P point, that is above XY, that is 60 mm, and in front of VP point, that is below XY, as 50 mm. So let us mark that point. So be careful that you are keeping the scale on XY line. So unfortunately students will take B point from locus of A dash, so avoid that one. So take the scale from XY, it must be 60 mm above. So it will be here. So mark the point. So this is not the point of B1 dash or B dash. So this point will be the reference point so as to draw the locus of B dash. So this is the point. We can take the reference. So keeping that, draw the locus line crossing this point. So this is the line where the B dash point will get meet. So this can be named as locus of B dash. Similarly, the in front of VP, B point in front of VP is 50 mm. So take the scale from XY mark 50. So make sure that the scale is parallel to A dash A line. Okay, so 50 point will be somewhere here. So this point is the reference point to draw the locus of B. So draw a line crossing this point. So this will be locus of B. So that's all, we have drawn all the locus line and the XY reference line. So no more horizontal lines will be drawn. So make sure that all the locus line and the XY line is parallel to each other. So then only you will get exact answer. So try to use mini drafter so as to get the exact parallel lines. Okay. The next step, we know the true length of the line is 85 mm. So keeping this length, we can draw the true length line on HP and VP. So let us do that. Take the scale and compass. So measure the true length line, that is the 85 in compass. So 85 with the A dash as center and of length 85, draw an arc to cut locus of B dash. This point will be P1 dash. Okay. Similarly, of same length, you can draw an arc from A. Okay. So since I am using software, I couldn't able to rotate. If I rotate, it will get misplaced. So again I am marking the dimension, but while drawing the manual, it is not necessary. So since you have already marked 85 in the compass, you can use the same so as to draw the VP true length. So I am keeping as 85. So 85. So with A as center, draw an arc to cut locus of B at B2. So this point can be B2. So no need to draw this much length of arc. You can draw a little arc on locus of B dash and B. So I am going to erase the extra unwanted arcs, so it will quite look odd for your diagram. So avoid this one. Okay, so you can directly name the point. So this is B1 dash and this is B2. Then join A dash and B1 dash to get true length line with HP. So I am using a different color for easy understanding. You can use the same color, that is pencil. Okay, so join A dash and B1 dash to get true length line with HP. Similarly, join A and B2 to get true length line with VP. If you measure this angle, it will be the inclination with HP. If you measure this angle, it will be the inclination with VP. That is our answer. Even though we have calculated the answer up to this step. We have to continue the problem to draw all the projection lines, that is front view and top view. So don't stop up to here. So they have asked to draw the projection and also inclination with HP and VP. So this step is enough to find inclination with HP and VP. So to draw the projection, we have to continue the problem and draw front view and top view. So let us find what is the inclination with HP and VP and write the answer here. So take the protractor with A dash and locus of A dash line, keep the protractor such that it will be straight. So the angle is exactly 24. So you can mark HP angle as 24. Okay, so I have marked the answer. Similarly, let us find what is the VP angle. Rotate the protractor and keep the center as A and keep the protractor such that it should be straight on locus of A line. So now measure the angle. So it is exactly, I think it is 21. So write the answer as VP angle equal to 21 degree. So instead of writing as HP angle and VP angle, you can write theta and pi as 24 and 21. Also you have to measure here, you have to indicate that angle is theta and this angle is pi. See here, I have mentioned theta, that is HP angle, as 24 degree. Here the angle should be marked as theta. Similarly, you can mention pi equal to 21 degree. So this will be the pi angle. You have to mark this. Okay. Then we can proceed the problem to draw front view and top view. So for that, draw a straight vertical line from B2 up to locus of A dash. Okay, so this vertical line should be parallel to A dash A line. So this point will be B2 dash. Similarly, draw a vertical line from B1 dash up to locus of A, downward up to locus of A. So this point will be B1. So that's all. Then the last step is to draw the front view and top view. So take the compass with A dash as center and A dash B2 dash as radius. Draw an arc up to locus of B dash to cut B dash. So this point will be B dash. Similarly, from A as center and A B1 as radius, draw an arc up to locus of B to cut B. Then take HB pencil, join A dash and B dash to get front view and join A and B to get top view. Okay, so that's all. We have drawn front view and top view. So if you measure this angle, it will be front view angle and this will be top view angle. So even though they didn't ask, you can write as front view angle and top view angle. So front view angle can be notated as alpha and top view angle can be notated as beta. That also you can write here. Then some of the dimension I have missed, so you should not miss. So what is this? You have to mention the dimension, that is above HP 25 mm. So draw the dimension line and mark as 25, similarly 20, and also B point above HP, that is 60 and 50, that also should be marked here. Then true length line on HP and VP, so that also should be marked. So I will mark. Okay, see here. So I have marked all the dimensions, that is above HP 25 mm, in front of VP 20 mm, that is A point. Similarly B point above HP 60 mm and in front of VP 50 mm. True length line with HP 85, true length line with VP 85. So all dimensions are in mm. So like that you have to finish the problem. Okay. So thank you. So in next class we will see about a different line problem, that is midpoint problem. Thank you.